back to my channel. So if you guys have not noticed the background, it is not my typical unboxings for luxury goods. It is actually a different unboxing. Let me know if you guys know what I'm talking about, if you guys are familiar with this video. Now let me just talk about this really quickly. I am under the weather. I did put like a post on YouTube to the reason why I didn't upload last week or the last 2 weeks is because I've been super sick. As you can see here, I am very nasally and it's just not going away. So I got these 2 items in the mail today and I was like, I need to create a video, create some content for you guys. Please excuse my nasal nose. It's not cute. I'm so sorry. So anyways, this is what I'm working with today. Again, I wanted to create this content for you. So if you guys are familiar with my Shiba Inu unboxing by Pikarar, then you would have remembered these items in the background. I do have another unboxing for you guys today. I do have another unboxing with you guys today. It is by Pikarar and I am so excited. So I got that, and then I also have something in here that I purchased from a reseller on eBay. So let's get started with the Pikarar first. So I have my handy dandy little, I don't need it, hold on. I don't think I need it for this one. No, I don't. I need it for the USPS one. So right away, I'm gonna start taking out the items. So I did purchase 3 items and they pertain to my job. As you guys may or may not know, I am a teacher. So I do like to get things for the new school year so everything could be brand new and cool. So let me just start off with those items. And okay, so the first thing I see here is her card, and this is the same card I got last time when I ordered. And then she also put this little, card. I know she does have like every month is like a different theme. So this is this month's theme. You see the Shibas and the blanket and stuff like that. It's so cute. I love this. I will post it somewhere here in my wall. Things that I actually ordered. Let's start off with the smallest one. Let me breathe first. Let me breathe. This is the smallest thing that I got. This is actually a lanyard. And let me open this up so you guys can see it. I got this lanyard and it has silver hardware, if you guys were curious to know what hardware it is. And it has like the Shibas. It has, you can hear Hachi in the background. And then it has like the mochi, some foods. I think this is so cute. And it is such a conversation starter with my kids. So again, like working with kids, you have to have something that you're going to be interested in. So I'll just have it like this. And then I actually have a new little like case for the lanyard. I bought one from Box Lunch. It's actually an Eevee from Pokemon. So I have that one somewhere in my mess. But I'm so happy to add this to my collection of, because currently I am using my UC Irvine one and it's already getting old. I've used it all year. So now it's time for a new one. So I'm really excited to use this one. Okay, next up is this other item. This is actually a reusable bag. I like these especially for work, when I take my lunch or when I take things for my kids. Sometimes I buy stuff from like Target or Walmart or whatever. And I like to take it to work. And having a reusable bag is really helpful to carry your things, obviously, and for groceries and things like that. So I couldn't pass up this one because this is a Shiba one. So it looks like this, and it has her name, Pikarar. I think it's so cute. Like, it's so cute. I love it. It's like, again, it kind of like see-through, but the way that it's just like perfect. It fits so cute. So cute. Like, it's just a perfect size. Again, you could just like make it into a little square and then like you're good to go. put in your actual like handbag, and then you have it with you or you go grocery shopping or whatnot. So I needed something like this just because you can never have enough grocery bags, right? So I got that. The last item that I got is something that I was super excited to get. Now I think I got the wrong one. I think I got a different color, but it's fine. I'm probably just gonna order the other one. So it comes like this, and this is obviously a mini Shiba Inu. Oh no, what happened to this? Oh, what in the world? Oh, okay. So I think this detaches. I think it's kind of weird. And then it looks like a hair tie, maybe. And then it has the little Shiba Inu. And this one is in a sesame color. So you can see it's different from, way different color. This is a sesame color. Hachi is actually like a red, orangey color. But it's fine. It's still Shiba. You know, I could collect them all. So this is such a cutie. It's so tiny. How are you guys gonna watch this video with my voice like this? I don't know how. If you're still following, if you're still watching this, please give it a thumbs up because my throat is killing me softly. It's supposed to be like this. It's so cute. It's a baby Shiba. I love things like this. Anything with like dogs or like Pokemon or like Star Wars, I love it. I'm here for it. So not just handbags, I love anime things. So this I'm living for. So this is my new one. This is Hachi's brother. So I'm gonna actually get the red one after this video. So yeah, this is what I got. That is all I got from Pikarar's website on Instagram. I'll leave it here for you guys. If you guys are interested in buying anything, her stuff does sell out. And she doesn't really restock. It's kind of like a limited each kind of, I don't know, each kind of theme that she goes for. So yeah, if it's sold out, I'm pretty sure it's gonna sell out. Like, they might not be a restock, so just be aware of that. So let me just open this next item that I purchased. I just purchased this like 2 days ago and I just came in. I was gonna do a reel like I did for my other item, but I was like, let me just share it with you guys in the video. So it comes in this little baggie. I have been into like jewelry. I don't know if you guys see my last video where I was talking about like jewelry. I haven't really been like feeling it. So lately I have. I don't know. I jinxed myself. So I actually purchased this item. Oh, it just like slid up. This is the, I don't even know what's gonna fit. I actually purchased this bracelet. This is a vintage CELINE bracelet. You can see the CCs. Please excuse my AC. It is super hot in LA. It is super hot here in LA, so my AC just turned on. So can you guys see that? It has not Chanel. This is CELINE, and it's in the gold, beautiful gold color. And then it has the clasp right here, and it says CELINE Paris right there. So I bought this. I like it. It's so pretty. And yeah, this is what I got. Hopefully it fits. If not, we got our problems. So that is all I got. My Shiba stuff and my CELINE bracelet. I need to figure out how to open it. I hope it opens. Because if it doesn't, I'm screwed. It's not going to fit my hand. This is so tiny. It's probably fit Hachi's paw. Unless I break my fingers. But yeah, that's not going to happen. So anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hopefully this fits. I'm like super like... yeah. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe if you have not already. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.